Hey guys, it's Laurie Forster, and I just wanted to reach out to you. I'm getting ready for my corporate wine tasting with some amazing wines, including an Orange Swift Palermo Cabernet Sauvignon. Ooh, but here's a secret. I didn't grow up drinking fine wines like these. Actually, my first wine was a Boone's Farm Strawberry Hill. But now I like to drink great wine, but not spend a lot of money. And if you want to save money, here's a little tip. Go exploring. Try a Gruner Veltliner from Austria, a Carmenere from Chile, or a Pinot Gris from Oregon. Don't keep buying the same things. Everybody wants the Napa Cab. Everybody wants the Napa Chardonnay. But if you're willing to try some different things, you can really save a lot of money. If you want great tips on how to pick the perfect wine every time, go to thewinecoach.info, INFO. And if you love these tips and you want to meet me for some inspiration and connection, go to uncorked.com and find out about my virtual conference on April 21st. We're going to have a whole afternoon ending with a wine tasting if you want, and the early bird ends today. All right, guys, join me.